Dig, Dogs, Dig, a construction tale by James Horvath. Duke, Roxy, Buddy, Max, Spot, and Spike. Wake up, dogs, you're going to be late. The sun is up. There's no time to wait. Grab your gloves, hard hats and boots, shovels, goggles, and dirt digging suits.
Hi.
Eat some breakfast on the go. Quickly now, you're moving too slow.
Yum, yum.
Hop your trucks. There's work to be done. Get to the job site. Run, dogs, run.
Down the road and over the hill, driving big trucks takes plenty of skill.
Around the corner and through the pass. Stop at the station to fill up with gas.
We need some gas.
Okay, dogs, we're at the site. There's lots to do before it's night. Slow, the sign says. Hard hat area. Start up the loader. Dump truck. And grader, bulldozer, backhoe, and excavator. The excavator digs deep with its scoop, pulling up dirt with a swish and a swoop.
Hey, you cat.
Push and plow and clear the way. The bulldozer makes it look easy each day.
Lean a little closer.
The loader picks up a rocky, big bite and moves out the rubble with all its might. Hauling away dirt and sand, gravel and rock. The big, strong dump truck works around the clock. There's trouble in the pit. We've hit something big. Get down in the hole and dig, dogs, dig.
I wonder what's down there.
Down in the pit, there's some bustin' to do with hammers, a pick, and a rock splitter, too. A job like this calls for a crane with its winch and its hook and its long, heavy chain. It's a dinosaur fossil, a huge T-Rex bone. With a tug, it breaks loose from its prehistoric home. Now get back to work. Get back to your crew. Hurry up, dogs. There's more work to do. The graders perform their dance-like maneuvers as the ground is made smooth by these heavy earth movers. The cement mixer spins as the concrete pours, but there's no time to waste. We're going to need more. Sand, gravel, blocks, and some 4x4 sticks. The forklift comes over to pick up the bricks. Building has started. Here comes more big trucks, hauling plants and trees and even some ducks. It says 1-800-DUCKS. Call now. More equipment arrives. Unload it with care. Check it, unpack it, and stack it right there. The boxes open other end. Clear way for the flatbed. Clear the way, let him pass. He's hauling our trees and 10 acres of grass. More dogs arrived with ratchets and wrenches, building fountains and fences, bathrooms and benches. Unpack the boxes, follow directions. Make sure it's built right so it passes inspection. Grab the hose, fill the hole until it's brimming, and let loose the ducks for some synchronized swimming. Everything's finished. What a day this has been! Now open the gates and let everyone in. The workday is over. It's now almost dark. We have just enough time to enjoy our new park. Great work, crew. It's a place all your own. There's even a spot for that dinosaur bone. This job is complete. We've built something new. Tomorrow we'll find a new job to do.
The end.
Click on Tumpsky to subscribe. Click on the next show you want to watch. See you soon.